Hey, what is up, guys? This is Dr. Quads, and today I'm going to teach you something about CURA, specifically, where if you want to print your logo on something, but you actually don't want to print anything at all, and that may seem ridiculous, but it's actually possible, and it's pretty cool. So what I've been doing lately is using support blockers to modify the infill mesh of my prints, and that's so, like, if you have a part of your print that you need to be strong, but the rest of it, can be like, low infill. Well, you can actually do that by using a support blocker. And the reason why I use support blockers is because these support blockers will not interact with anything else other than just this print, right? And so that's what's really cool about these. So you just put a support blocker here, you go into per model settings, you make sure it's set to modify settings for overlap, go into select settings, and of course I usually just hide all these. It's kind of annoying that you can't set this up by default. Maybe you can, I haven't found a way to do that yet. But yeah, infill density, you want to check that. You go down here to infill density, and as you see, I have this set to 100%. So wherever this is, it will be 100%. So these like little standoff things here are going to be 100%. They're going to be stronger, which is what I want. But then I was thinking, well, can you do that with other things? And absolutely you can. You see here, I have my logo that I made the other day. So we're going to go ahead and import my logo here. Shkoploif. And as you see, I already have it done here, but I'm just going to show you how I would do it. And then we're going to drag this somewhere that we want it. And there we go. Now we have it where we want it. We want to print our logo right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on this. And just like with the support blockers, we're going to click mesh for overlaps. Now, one thing you can do cutting mesh and infill mesh only. And basically what the difference is that cutting mesh will deal with the walls on the outside, whereas infill mesh will only modify the inside. It won't modify the outside. So we're going to actually choose cutting mesh though, which is important for us to actually see the changes. And we're going to go to our infill once again. And I choose infill density and infill pattern. And I believe that's going to give it a little bit more of a pop. Top and bottom pattern. Oh, look at that. Top and bottom infill pattern. We can. Okay, awesome. That's pretty cool. So I actually never thought of doing this. We're going to go to concentric. And voila, as you can see, it's going to add a different infill and skin to the top of this, which is going to be the logo. Now, I don't know exactly how significant this is going to look until I actually print it. I've never actually done this before. But I'm pretty sure it's going to be noticeable enough to be like, huh, look, there's my logo, which is one of the reasons why I made this logo the way that I did, because this logo was made very specifically for 3D printing. I wanted it to be really simple and kind of blocky and easy to print, which is what it is. And there you go. These are pretty tiny arms, so this is going to be pretty cool if this comes out well. I'm pretty happy with how this came out, and let's go ahead and print it, and I'll show you guys what it looks like in 14 hours. And here is the result. I'm actually pretty happy with this. I think I could definitely design it a little bit better to be more smooth, but that is a way to get a logo on a flat plane without changing it from a flat plane. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you next time.